Oh, there's gonna be a wreck. Oh, it's gonna be a wreck. He's gonna hit him. Oh, that was close. Oh!
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Sorry? This guy's just crashed. I've got to go. Right, bye.
Yeah, I wish I would have known he was shutting down. I would have gone there. Oh my God! Jesus.
I'm on, what is this, Bethlehem Pike? No, 309. A guy just pulled a gun on me after he cut me off and almost ran into my car. 309, Bethlehem Pike and Trevington Road. He just turned on Trevington Road. He's trying to run, so I'm following him. It's an SUV, main tag. It's black. I can't tell. He's speeding off right now. I'm trying to catch up to him. No, Trevington Road. He's turning. He's making a legal turn now. Well, one, he ran me off the road. Two, he pulled a gun on me. Why would I not follow him? I'm not afraid of a gun. He just turned on. He just turned right on county line. Michael Burnett. He's a white male with sunglasses. That's all I can say. I could not. He looked like maybe 27-ish up. Yes. I don't know. You said don't follow him. He turned right on County Line Road from Trippingtown Road. I can come up to the Hatfield Police Station or whatever the case is. I can pull over at the Sunoco gas station on Hilltown Pike and Bethlehem Pike. Yes. Alrighty, thank you. Hello. Niggas must not really, they don't know me. So this nigga off, right? Like literally ran me off the road. So, I mean, I have no choice but to go off the road or.
Are you serious? You've got to be kidding me. And he's gonna drive off? Are you serious?
What?
No, that's not happening. You're not gonna just drive off after you bump into me. Are you gotta be kidding me? Sorry, I gotta call 911 because I'm on 25 heading south. I'm about to get to Rockrimmon, the split for Rockrimmon in Nevada. I had a car bump into me on the highway, and they're trying to drive off. I'm behind them. It's a red Subaru. The plate. I'm trying to get close enough to see the plate. The plate is BT 052. Yeah, Boy Toy Roscoe 0. It's a Subaru, red Subaru. They bumped into me and they just drove off. I'm behind them. I've got a dash cam and I've got it on footage. I'm trying to get close enough to actually get a good view of them and everything. Okay. No one's injured. No. My phone number is 904-6. Elliot Ertel, ELLIOT, ERTEL. Yeah, I just got off the freeway at the Rockrimmon. I think the person's getting off to meet me. They slowed down and they're getting over. I'm kind of following them, but if they continue to drive off, I won't continue following them. I've got them on dash cam and I've got a witness in the car as well. So I'm at University.
And don't forget, if you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.